Yun na naman nyo. Saan kayo po? Saan na kami pupunta? Anong klaseng pag-iisip yan? Saan kami pupunta?
We want human rights as part of the curriculum of
Please,
NSP.
Layo naman nun. Bakit ka nagkaganon? Ano lang nangyari sa utak nyo? Okay, you love your country. Pag inatake tayo ng China dito, sinong palabanin mo dyan sa mga Chinese na yan?
Actually po-
NPA?
Actually po,
You
yung
will call on the
natanong
NPA?
natin,
What does that make of Raul Manuel?
He is a member of the Communist Party of the Philippines, but he is not a member of the New People's Army.
So member siya ng Communist Party of the Philippines. Very
Yes.
clear.
Ako, I swore under oath na I would tell the truth and that is the truth. Si Raul Manuel ay recruiter din ng NPA. Thank you, sir.
Raul Manuel is a recruiter of the NPA. So ngayon ay kumukulo na yung aking dugo habang tinitingnan ko itong tao na ito. This is a very serious matter.
Yes, sir.
You can just imagine a congressman of the Republic of the Philippines enjoying all the perks, enjoying everything, at the same time undermining this government. Kaya pala tuwang-tuwa itong tao na ito nung sabi na pinaganahan lang sila na papasukin daw yung ICC. Tuwa itong tao na ito. Talagang tuwang-tuwa siya na imbestigahan ako ng ICC. Tingnan natin ngayon, ikaw ang imbestigahan ko.
Hindi totoo na nagre-recruit tayo para sa ganong mga organizations. Kung may mga sumasali doon, individual choice po nila iyon. Yun yung nakita nilang avenue para sa talino nila at hinanakit nila doon sa mga problema ng bayan.
siguro kung mahirapan tayo na i-uphold yung ganito, such as law enforcement and rights awareness, magkakatalo na lang kung amongst the ranks of our public officials ay hindi po nag-agree doon. Lalo na if we have a senator who will say na okay lang na makalaya at may second chance yung isang rapist na mayor, habang yung mga mahihirap ay madaling tokhangin na lamang. Yun lang, maraming
Mr.
salamat.
Yes,
Chair, can I react?
of course, of course.
Ang layo naman ng sinasabi mo, Mr. Kasama ba yan dito sa hearing yung comment ko na yon? Ang layo naman. That's an affront to
We
this
want human
presentation.
rights as part of the curriculum of
Please,
NSP.
Layo naman,
please let Senator Bato finish.
Ang layo naman nung bakit ka nagkaganon? Ano lang nangyari sa utak nyo? Ha? Ang layo naman.
I can send you a copy of
Ha?
our position paper.
Ang layo. At saka, I take offense on your what you said na yung ROTC is a misrepresentation of nationalism. Anong tingin mo sa amin? Anong tingin mo sa ganon? Ganon ka na mag-judge sa amin? Dinadjudge mo kami na ganon? Ha? Are you sure you are the representation, you are the true representation of the Filipino students? Ganoon ba? Ilan lang yan makakaliwa dyan sa estudyante. Mas marami dyan ang gusto mag-ROTC. I must tell you frankly. Bakit ka? Ang layo ng issue mo. Just to personalin ako? Napakalayo. Dapat matuto. Kung may ROTC, dapat ikaw na estudyante ka, matuto ka, magrespeto. Kahit sa isang senador man lang na andito sa hearing na ito. Huwag mong tirahin sa ibang issue na hindi ka kasama dito. Ha? Huwag mong...
Honorable Chair, I would like to respond dun sa point na marami daw na gusto mag-ROTC.
Mr. Manuel, let me recognize you first before you talk. And let Senator Bato finish.
Ikaw, kung Pilipino ka, do you love your country? You answer me. Do you love your country? Ha? O sige, you respond.
Of course, students love our country and we have different ways to show
Okay,
we love
you
our
love your country. Pag inatake tayo ng China dito, sinong palabanin mo dyan sa mga Chinese na yan?
Actually po-
NPA?
Actually po,
You
yun
will
yung
call on the
tanong
NPA?
namin. Since gusto namin na ipaglaban yung ating bansa mula sa foreign invaders, pero mismo sa ating constitution, the AFP, which is tasked to preserve our integrity and national sovereignty, ay hindi natin nakikitaan ng real intent to defend our country. So wala tayong role model for
Submit
that.
mo na lang sa amin yung position paper po ninyo, kasama yung position paper ng isang mga kasama ninyo. Senator Bato, can we proceed?
Mr. Chair, may I move to strike from the records the statements of Mr. Manuel that were irrelevant and not germane to the topic, especially when he makes statements attributed to our colleagues in a statement that he made outside. And may I also request the chair to remind all our guests who are here as guests to please show respect for the members, and again, not to bring up statements, reactions that are not germane to the topic. You can make your reaction outside. The media is all there. They will listen to you. But let's stick to the course. We're all here overtime, and you need to use our valuable time to say something to the good senator. I know him so well. If you had something to say, he will talk to you. So may we remind everyone of that, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator Pia.
Mr. Chair, dagdagan ko lang. Ito, if he really represents the students, ganyan na talaga ang state ng mind ng mga estudyante ngayon na dapat baguhin natin. Mali po yun. Ako, if naniwala ka sa akin, mas matanda ako sa'yo. Mali yung sinasabi mo. Gusto mo lang akong tirahin sa ibang issue na hindi naman natin titakel dito. Now, since, Mr. Chair, since sinabi naman lang itong ating resource person about nung kay Sanchez case, alam nyo, gusto lang ninyo talaga akong sirain, kaya kinukuha niyo yung sinasabi ko na gusto niyo akong butasan. Did you know na ako mismo gusto kong bitayin yung Sanchez na yan? Ha? I am for death penalty. Kung may death penalty noon, dapat nabitay na yung Sanchez na yan. Pero, kayo naman, ayaw naman yung death penalty. Ngayon, bigyan na second chance dahil na-reform na yung tao, according to the competition, eligible siya for pardon, ayaw na naman nyo. Saan na kami pupunta? Anong klaseng pag-iisip yan? Saan kami pupunta? Gusto ko death penalty, ayaw nyo. Ngayon, i-release yan dahil walang death penalty. Titirahin na naman nyo ako. Ako bang gumawa ng batas na yan? Eligible siya by operation of law. Dahil sinabi ng batas. Ganon. Respetuhin natin. May batas na ganon. Pero hindi ko kagustuhan yan. Kung akong gusto mo, samahan mo ako, bitayin natin yan? Ha? Kasi lang talaga, that goes to show kung ikaw ang representation ng estudyante ngayon, ganun na pala. Ang estudyante ngayon, kawalang disiplina. Kahit ang senador, kayang tirahin sa walang non-relevant issue dito sa ganitong forum. Ganun na pala. Kaya dapat pala talaga ibalik ang rotisip para madisiplina kayo mga estudyante na kayo. Ha? Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator Bato.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to seek apology for...
And let me remind Mr. Manuel, NUSP, and the rest of the groups that we invite in this committee. We invite you for the sake of fairness. Alam ko naman kung anong sasabihin ninyo eh. No, this is your third time to be part of this hearing, and alam ko na kung sasabihin niyo. Pero binibigyan namin kayo ng oportunidad magsalita para marinig kayo ng mga bagong senador natin. Pero ano namang kinalaman ni Sanchez sa ROTC? Ano namang kinalaman? Kaya this serves as a warning to your group na wag niyong dadalhin yung mga walang katuturan dito sa committee ito. Dahil sinisira niyo yung aming pagdinig at sinisayang niyo yung aming oras. And again, we're exercising fairness. Kaya bigyan niyo naman kami ng respeto. Kahit alam na namin ang sasabihin niyo, ini-invite namin kayo. In fact, we invited all of your colleagues. So, last na ito, and next time we invite you, if ever we invite you, stick to the topic. And this serves as our warning. Again, I'm directing the committee secretary to strike off all of the comments that are not germane to the topic of ROTC.
Si Raul Manuel po, so ito na yung kwento ko. Kapakagalitan ako ni Raul Manuel na ito. Giginhawa muna po ako. Disclaimer lang, hindi ko po nakita si Raul Manuel personally. However, po, kasama ko po si Eric Casilaw sa Sitio Balacayo, Barangay Namnam, San Fernando, Bukidnon. Kami po ang nag-facilitate ni Raul Manuel, kasama si Daniel Duliosa, kasama ni Kurt Russell Sosa, kasama ni Angeli Fortich, basta marami silang kasama. May mga kasamaan pa po ako na wala dito na they can attest na Raul Manuel is there.
So, what what does that make of Raul Manuel?
He is a member of the Communist Party of the Philippines, but he is not a member of the New People's Army.
So member siya ng Communist Party of the Philippines. Very
Yes.
clear. Coming from you, baka sabihin ni baka sabihin ni Manuel na tuturuan kita.
Wala siya.
Law student ka ngayon, di ba? Hindi ka pwedeng turuan. So, siya, si Raul Manuel is a member of the
Communist Party of the Philippines.
Communist Party of the Philippines. Is that Raul Manuel, the same Raul Manuel that is
The Raul.
party list representative
Yes.
ng kabataan? The same person?
Yes.
The same person?
Yes.
So, puro kasinungaling yung sinasabi niya na wala siyang koneksyon sa CPP, NPA, NDF.
Bala siyang buhay niya.
Ha? That's
Yes.
for the record, for the record.
Yes.
Puro
Yes, of
kasinungaling
course,
yan.
he will deny it. No, the same as what we did nung nasa legal front organizations pa. We always deny because it is our responsibility to hide our identities na kami ay mga membro ng underground mass organization at members ng Communist Party of the Philippines.
So, for the record, just for the record,
For the record,
for the record, you are categorically
speaking that he is a member of the Communist
stating
Party of the
that Representative Raul Manuel of Kabataan Party List is a member of
Communist Party.
the Communist Party of the Philippines.
Yes.
So very clear yan.
Yes.
So
Chair.
kung siya ay nagdi-deny, nagsisinungaling siya.
Yes.
Okay. Because that is your usual modus operandi to deny every time you're being asked.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. Kate Traka, please, you have the floor.
Good afternoon, sir. In addition, sir, I also worked with Raul Manuel when he was the UP student regent in the University of the Philippines, and kasama ko siya, and we were recruiting for KM and for the Communist Party of the Philippines, and we facilitated yung NPA recruitment as well within the university. So I am sure he will deny this, my good old friend Raul and workmate. We worked within UP, no, within the Kumiting Tagapagpanap, no, ng UP. Yun yung mastermind ng recruitment sa UP. He as a student regent at the time, and me as the chairperson of Alay Sining, no. We planned and we implemented recruitment for the NPA. Kami yung nagpapatupad ng mga quota doon kung ilan yung NPA na dapat ma-recruit ng bawat chapter ng KM for each college, no, na meron sa UP. So, kaya siya pumasok sa NPA Mindanao, no, kasi naman susunod yung mga tao sa kanya kung hindi siya nagpupunta doon, di ba? So, the same with me, kasi leader ako, so I had to go to NPA Mindoro. How can I recruit NPA kung ako nga ayoko, di ba? Siya, umuwi siya eh, di ba? Hindi siya nagtuloy mag-NPA, ako nagtuloy ako. Pero okay lang naman kung i-deny niya. Kasi yun talaga yung gagawin niya, for sure. Kasi trabaho niya yun at nasa Congress siya. Pero ako, I swore under oath na I would tell the truth, and that is the truth. Si Raul Manuel ay recruiter din ng NPA. Thank you, sir.
Raul Manuel is a recruiter of the NPA.
Yes, sir.
That's what you're saying, right?
Yes, we were planning, implementing recruitment programs, no, for NPA recruitment, sir.
So ngayon ay kumukulo na yung aking dugo habang tinitingnan ko itong tao na ito. You know, this is we might be laughing right now, but for all we know, this is a very serious matter.
Yes, sir.
You can just imagine a congressman of the Republic of the Philippines enjoying all the perks, enjoying everything, at the same time undermining this government, undermining the state.
Yes, sir.
Di ba? Kaya pala tuwang-tuwa itong tao na ito nung sabi na pinaganahan lang sila na papasukin daw yung ICC. Tuwa itong tao na ito. Talagang tuwang-tuwa siya na imbestigahan ako ng ICC. Tingnan natin ngayon, ikaw ang imbestigahan ko. Ikaw ang imbestigahan ko. I will do all my parliamentary powers to pin you down. Sabihin na, tingnan natin. Ikaw pala talaga ay membro ng Communist Party of the Philippines, which is the partido of the New People's Army, who is trying to to destroy this government. Ha? Ganun pala talaga itong tao na ito. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. So, thank you for those revelations. Ha?
Yes.
I am being a Filipino, hindi ako pwedeng forever tayo lulukuhin itong mga tao na ito. Hindi ito po pwedeng forever tayo lulukuhin. Destroying the government from within the government. Papayag ba tayo nito? Papasukan tayo ng ganitong klase mga tao sa ating gobyerno? Granting na provided by the Constitution, yung party list ay pwede sila mag-represent dyan. What they are doing right now is talagang kakasama ng ating bansa. And I am willing, I am dedicating my life for this fight. Nakapag-retire ako sa Philippine National Police. Hindi ko mabilang kung ilang girang dinaanan ko with this NPA. New People's Army nito. At sa awa ng Diyos nakapag-retire ako. Ngayon nagkapag-retire na ako, dito na hindi na ako ngayon makipaglaban sa inyo sa armed struggle. Dito ko kayo lalabanan sa inyong parliamentary struggle na sinasabi ninyo. Legal sa legal. Tingnan natin. Senador ako ngayon. Tingnan natin. Itong mga tao na ito yung nagpapahirap ng Pilipinas eh. Ito yung nagpapahirap ng Pilipinas. To be frank about it, sabihin man ninyo na sinira ko yung parliamentary PC, but my love for this country is above and beyond parliamentary courtesy. To be frank about it. Kumukulo ang dugo ko, nakikita ko itong patawa-tawa pa smile-smile, oh. Yung pala'y anay pala ito nagsumisira ng ating lipunan. Diyos ko, bakit meron tayong ganyang mga congressman? Grabe palang ginagawa itong mga tao na ito. With your revelations, I would like to thank you. With your revelations, the more na I am emboldened to move for the kung pwede lang i-scrap yung party list system na yan para mahinto na yung pakikialam ng mga CPP dito sa ating kongreso. Yan na nagiging free ticket nila yan eh, yung party list system para pumasok sa kongreso. But anyway, since it is provided for in our Constitution, wala na tayong magawa dyan. Ang habulin ko na lang na ma-amend itong party list system na itong mga makakaliwa na nagre-recruit ng kabataan papunta sa armadong New People's Army ay talaga maharang ito ng kumilik itong kanilang yung party list nila. Dapat maharang talaga ito. Hindi po pwede itong pabayaan natin ito. Talagang gagawa natin, hanapan natin para na ma-amend yung party list system law.
I was recruited as early as 2014 by Alay Sining, UP Diliman. Connected talaga siya, as in Alay Sining, UP Diliman chapter. And you know who recruited me?
Alay Sining?
Alay Sining, UP Diliman. Recognized organization at the time ng UP.
Okay.
And actually, yung nag-recruit sa akin ay member ng College of Education Student Council, and that was Kevin Castro. If you know what happened to Kevin, he died in an encounter sa Polillo, Quezon around 2018. So, these aren't allegations kasi I myself graduated from UP 2019, joined the NPA right after my graduation because the recruitment happened within UP grounds. How did it happen? Ang nagre-recruit sa amin is members ng student council, and they use venues sa loob ng UP to conduct underground organizations using the name of student council, at the time recognized organization Anak Bayan, Alay Sining, no? We use these university venues, the halls of UP, no, to conduct underground activities. I remember one time member ng student council ang nagpa-reserve para magkaroon ng cultural night ang Kabataang Makabayan, which is illegal. No, it's an NDF organization operating underground. And you know what we did within UP grounds? No, as KM Cultural Night, we collected support from students na ipapadala namin sa NPAs. And that's happening no inside the universities. And you know, these aren't allegations because I was there. And how do these organizations remain to be recognized? I don't know at present no if recognized pa tong mga organizations na to. I think before nung nasa UP ako, nagkaroon ng issues na hindi ma-recognize yung mga frats na involved sa violence. Pero what about these organizations no na inciting violence? I remember way back no, Anak Bayan and LFS conducted pagpupugay. I don't know if you know that, but they were very proud no na maraming mga estudyante ang namamatay as NPA, na they were proud na alumni nila yon no. I can only name a few. I think student ng UPC Len Dumanais na namatay bilang NPA sa Abra. Student ng UPLB si Rona Jane Manalo, nakasamahan kong NPA sa Palawan. Namatay siya sa encounter, nabuhay ako. Magkasama kami sa encounter na yon. Sino pa ba? JC Alberto ng UPLB. And I know them because we all previously worked as student council. I was then counselor of College of Education Student Council. Raul Manuel was chairperson of College of Arts and Sciences, UP Visayas. And sino pa ba? Kevin Castro, chairperson namin. There are lots of students, no, members of student council who eventually joined the NPA. And that's not cut off na after nila mag-UP saka sila nag-NPA. No, they were recruited while we were inside. No, and how did this happen? Kasi nga, these organizations are doing this no, within UP grounds. No, some of them recognized at the time recognized ang LIC ng UP Diliman, kaya nakakagamit kami ng mga venues ng UP na kapag apply kami ng permit for activities within UP. And what I think, I don't know if alam to ng mga professors or what, pero we conduct educational discussions na ang nilalaman is armed revolution. No, and it's not just the theory lang ng, hindi siya theory lang ng armed revolution. No, what we are being taught inside the universities is armed revolution. No, and it's not just the theory lang ng, hindi siya theory lang ng armed revolution. No, what we are being taught inside the universities is armed revolution currently launched